Okay, open your copies for your copy work. This topic has 10 question answers. Okay, you should watch this video carefully and mark the answers on the book and write on the copy. Question number 1. I hope you can see it. Okay, define a exploration. Right? Exploration is the act of investigating unfamiliar places. Okay. Now question number 2. What are some of the reasons why people explore? Okay. इसका आंसर है पेज नंबर 27 पे. Here. This is the page number 27. First line. Curious. इससे पहले आपने ये line write down करनी है. People explore because they are curious about the world around them. Some early travelers simply wanted to find out more about the world. Other explorers went in search of wealth. They looked for land, minerals, oil fields, spices, and other resources. Done. This is the answer 2. Question number 3. What is the name given to the important period of ocean-going exploration? Page number 28, first line. Here is it. The most important period of ocean going, ये लिख के, then exploration is known as the age of discovery. The period covers the 50th, 60th and early 70th centuries. This is the answer number 3. Clear? Now come to the question number 4. Who was Ibn Battuta? Page number 28. First 2 lines. Muhammad ibn Battuta was a Moroccan scholar and a traveler. He is known as the greatest traveler of pre-modern times. These 2 lines is the answer of 4, and from page 21 this is the line of answer, part of the answer 4. He wrote a book about his travels. Rihla, the travelers. Done. These 3 lines are the answer 4. Who was Ibn Battuta? Now, question number 5. Who was Vasco da Gama? Page number 29. Question number 5 is, who was Vasco da Gama? First line. Vasco da Gama was Portuguese explorer who was born in Sines, Portugal in 1460. Like his father, he also decided to explore the world. He was the first Portuguese to sail to India. Done. This is the answer 5. Okay. Now, question number 6. How did Vasco da Gama exploration help Portugal? कि वास्को डे गामा ने जो एक्सप्लोर किया था वो उसने पुर्तगीज़ को किस तरह हेल्प आउट किया. ओके, जहाँ पे आपका आंसर नंबर 5 एंड हो रहा है उसी से नेक्स्ट लाइन से आपका आंसर नंबर 6 स्टार्ट हो रहा है. वेरी नेक्स्ट लाइन. ही ट्रैवल्ड वाई केप ऑफ गुड होप, ये प्लेस का नेम है, विच इज एट द साउदर्न टिप ऑफ अफ्रीका. His discovery of the sea route enabled the Portuguese to establish a long-lasting colonial empire in Asia. Done. Now come to the question number 7. Who was Marco Polo? Question number 7. Who was Marco Polo? Turn the page. Marco Polo was a merchant, an explorer, and a writer. He was born in Venice, Italy in 1254. His parents were rich merchants. He was the first European who traveled to Asia during the Middle Ages. This is the answer number 7. Now, the answer number 8. Who was Neil Armstrong? Same page, but come to the topic Neil Armstrong. Third line. Neil Armstrong had the honor of being the first explorer to go into space and walk on the moon. That's all. No. Okay. Answer number 8. Done. Question number 9. Who commanded the mission Apollo and when? Who commanded the mission Apollo 2? This is 2. And when? Page number 31. Second paragraph, first line. In July 1969, he was the commander of the mission in Apollo 2, which landed on the moon. On board were 3 crew members: Mission Commander Neil Armstrong, Command Pilot Michael Collin, and Pilot Buzz Aldrin. Done. Question number 10, the last one. In what way was Neil Armstrong's mission to the moon a significant milestone for mankind? Page number 31. Third paragraph, second line. Neil Armstrong's journey to the moon was significant milestone in the quest to develop our knowledge about the universe. That's all. These are the 10 questions you should write on the copy neatly with the heading topic exploration. Now come to the blanks. Page number 28. Page number 28, second paragraph. The use of dash trade routes quickly spread worldwide. Right? Ocean based. Blank number 2. Ibn Battuta, second paragraph. Ibn Battuta was born in dash in Tangira. Done. Come down. The fourth paragraph of Ibn Battuta. He cut the he. Ibn Battuta was then ordered by the Sultan dash to go to China. Done. Now come to the page number 29. Last paragraph of Ibn Battuta. Blank number 4. Ibn Battuta spent nearly 30 years traveling almost dash mostly by sea to 40 nations. 75,000 miles is your blank. This is your fourth blank. Now come to the last line. Cut the he. Ibn Battuta died in dash and was buried in Tangira. This is your fifth blank. Now come to the topic Vasco da Gama. The Fourth paragraph. 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth paragraph. Gamma fell ill and died on dash in Cochin. December 24, 50, 24 is your blank. This is your sixth blank. Now come to the Marco Polo. Okay. The seventh blank in the second paragraph on the third line. Cut the his. Write Marco Polo's father dash and uncle Matthew Polo, being successful jewel merchants, spend their time traveling abroad. Done. Very next line, eighth blank. Marco Polo started his journey to Asia in dash with his father and uncle. Done. Underline this line. Okay. The king of China was dash. This is ninth blank. Come to the Neil Armstrong. Blank number 10. Armstrong was born on 5 August 1930 in dash, Ohio. Come to the next page. Last blank 11. On July 20, 1969, Dash became the first man to walk on the surface of the moon. Okay, these are the 11 blanks. You should write on your copies. Underline all the important points and learn all these work as well, and do the work page. Your homework is do the work page of this lesson. Is it clear? Okay. Allah Hafiz.